Last one in this review, number 6, 49 on your side. A feeder is tapped and a circuit breaker and an enclosure is installed to protect the tap. The tap feeds a 4160 to 2400 volt, 3-phase, 225 kVA transformer that is installed in a non-supervised location. Good to know. The transformer impedance or Z value is 4%. The transformer supplies power to a 3-phase fused safety switch as limited by the NEC. The fuses to be installed in the switch can have a rating of not more than how many amps. That means we are on the secondary side. Okay, read through. If you need to draw it out, draw it out. Okay, we are talking about the secondary here. So let's do our math. All right, we got a 225 kVA transformer. Let's write that out, 225,000. And I am going to divide that by my secondary voltage, 2400 in this case. And I am in 3-phase, so I will use my 1.732. Okay, let's punch it. Punch it. We'll start doing these faster. 225000, and I'm going to divide that by 2400 times 1.732 in the calculator. Close my parentheses out, and I'm going to get 54 amps, roughly. I'll just put 54 amps. There you go. Now I need to figure out what my multiplier is. I am in a non-supervised location. I am talking about fuses here. Okay, my impedance is 4%. Let's see if that can iron us out. Let's get a different color because we're just using all the colors. I am in, what did I say? Non-supervised location. Here we go. Any location there. Okay, I am talking about the secondary protection. I am over 1000 volts here. I am talking about a fuse. Now let's just look at that impedance, which I do believe was 4%. Yep. Okay, impedance of 4%, so not more than 6% here. Fuse rating 250%, and do notice I have that superscript 1, which means I can round up. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to these. Okay, let's do this math. I will leave that in the calculator. I will multiply by 2.5 for 250%. And I'm going to get 135 amperes sitting there on the calculator, and I can round that up to the next standard size. So you're going to take a trip over to Article 240.6, find the next standard size is going to be 150 amperes. There you go, folks. We did it. We did it.